Hello Pirates! Today I'm going to show you how to use your digital planner. I've already made a copy of the digital planner, so now I can customize it to me. For starters, I'm going to put my name in the title. Let's just say I'm Pirate Pete, and then I can also select where it's saved. So I'm going to move mine into a folder in my drive so I know where it is. And this folder I've already made. It's my schoolwork folder for the school year, so I'm going to go ahead and just move it there. Now, if I want to be able to have this a little bit bigger on my screen, I can go ahead and click this button that will hide the menus. Now I can see that it's a little bit bigger for me to work with. So I'm going to start by putting in my name where it says student name. So I'm just going to go ahead and put Pirate Pete. Now everything on this page links to something. So for example, if you click on the focus, it will take you to focus. If you click on the Monday choice board, it will take you to the Monday choice board in the slides. You can also click on the months, and that will take you to the calendar. So for example, if I wanted to go to January, I'd select January, click on the slide, and it would take me to the calendar. And in the calendar, I could add anything that I have personally, so any assessments that you have coming up or any other important or fun dates. And whenever you see this little icon, it will take you back to the very top slide. So let's go ahead and go to September. So I'm going to click on September and go to that slide. So I have my calendar, and now if I go to the next slide, it has my tracker for the week that I can fill out. So this one that we're looking at is for September 16th through 20th. We can get back to the home page here. Right here we have the A days and B days. B days are blue, A days are yellow, and if there's a weekday where we don't have school, it will be black, and you'll see the X with the skull. Right here is where you fill in your grades, your missing late work, and anything that's upcoming for that class. So let's say I have a B in 1A. Something that I'm missing from that class is my mind map, and then I know upcoming I have project 2 due in AP Human Geography. My second period class is math. Right now I have a C in that class, and I know that I have derivative homework that I need to work on. Let's say my next class is English. I have an A, and I know that I have an essay, and it's due on the 24th. And let's fill out one more for fun. Let's say I've got a D in biology, and that's because I did not turn in parts of a cell. You can even link these to the actual assignments if you want to, so that you can find them. So you'll go through, fill this out for all of your classes, and then over here for advisory, your advisory teacher will let you know if you're going to a specific class. For example, for me, I was asked to go to math in room 211 on Tuesday. So I know that there I'm going to be getting math help. My teacher let me know that I'm not going to a classroom on Wednesday, so on Wednesday I'm planning on working on my mind map and turning it in. That's going to be my goal. And Thursday I was asked to go to room 501 for science, and so I know that I'm going to go there, and I'm going to work on parts of a cell. And here's a spot for me to make my goal for this week. So maybe my goal this week is to complete and turn in all missing or late work that I have. Okay, here I put in my absences and tardies last week, and a little bit of a reason why for me it was because my ride to school was late. Here it's asking how I'm feeling, and I can pull over these emojis. So today I'm feeling happy, and I'm also maybe feeling a little bit bored too, so I can bring those over. Then I'd fill out my biggest success, my biggest worry, and resources that can help me with that worry. Once you're done, if your teacher's asking you to, you can submit it to them or turn it in. One of the easiest ways to do that is to go to File, Download, and then download it. You could download it as a PDF or even as a JPEG image of the slide. And so that will download, and then you can share that with your teacher if they're asking you for it. I hope this helps, Pirates. Have a great day.